The cast of Guardians of the Galaxy wrote an open letter to the public pledging their support for James Gunn. We don't know how much this will change things for James Gunn, but we have to ask, what happened to forgiveness? Chris Pratt, Zoe Saldana, Vin Diesel, and the rest of the Guardians have penned an open letter in support for James Gunn in light of his recent firing. It does seem like Disney is taking things a bit too far. The open letter talks about how the cast has been encouraged by the public to open up about how they feel and try to get James reinstated. It was quite an abrupt firing on behalf of Disney, and I don't think any of us were really expecting it, especially since James's unfortunate and kind of tasteless jokes were made over 9 years ago, and James himself has since apologized about 6 years ago. The Guardians made it clear that, quote, "We are not here to defend his jokes of many years ago. Instead, they want to, quote, share our experience having spent many years together on set." They continued on to say, quote, "His story isn't over, not by a long shot." Also, this petition isn't just an open letter from the cast. On change.org, it has over 336,000 signatures of fans in support for the Guardians director. I'm personally skeptical of James's reinstatement into the Guardians franchise because, you know, it's Disney, but at least he is getting some public redemption. A commenter on the Change petitions simply said, quote, "A person should not be fired for stupid jokes made a decade ago that he already apologized for years ago." So guys, now it's your turn. What do you think? Did Disney take this one a little bit too far? Is it right to fire someone for something they said 9 years ago? It seems that in the court of public opinion, everything is a report and people are definitely keeping receipts. Let me know all your thoughts down below in that comment section, and then be sure to click right here to watch another tasty video. Hit the subscribe button down here. I'm your host, Tom Plumley, and I'll see you guys next time.